In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access the Shopify Help Center directly from your Shopify dashboard. Whether you're new to Shopify or you've been using it for a while, sometimes you just need a little guidance or extra help. Luckily, Shopify has a built-in resource just for that. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you know exactly where to find it whenever you need a helping hand. First things first, we'll begin at your Shopify dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that now. Once you've accessed your dashboard, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen then. This section is a bit of a utility area where you'll find several important links and options. Among these is the option for Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Doing so will take you to a comprehensive section where you can adjust many aspects of your store, from shipping details to payment options and much more. Next, you'll see a series of tabs. We're interested in the General tab, so make sure to click on that. Once you're there, scroll down the page a bit until you find an option labeled Get Help, which is conveniently located beside the Shopify Help Center. This little button is your gateway to a world of information. Clicking it will redirect you to the Shopify Help Center, a treasure trove of knowledge. Now here's where you can really explore. On this new page, you'll have access to a wide array of resources. Whether you have questions about store setup, payment gateways, or even marketing strategies, you can find answers here. The Help Center is powered by a comprehensive database that allows you to search by keywords or browse through categories. It's designed to be an intuitive and user-friendly experience. If there's something specific you want to learn about, simply type your query into the search bar provided, and a list of articles, guides, and potential solutions will populate for you to peruse. And just like that, you've learned how to navigate to the Shopify Help Center directly from your dashboard. It's a very straightforward process, but incredibly useful to know. The Help Center is a fantastic resource for tackling virtually any issue or question you might have while using Shopify. Now that you know where to find it, you can easily revisit it anytime you need a little extra assistance or just want to brush up on some best practices. So the next time you're working on your Shopify store and get stuck, remember that help is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips just like this one.